Victoria Falls, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, is a destination that has amazed travelers for generations. But what if you could experience its beauty in 2 unforgettable ways? Today, we'll show you 2 amazing excursions that let you enjoy Victoria Falls during sunset in style, a luxury steam train ride, and a sunset cruise on the Zambezi River. Is it edible?
Very raw.
Entertaining? Or just plain incredible?
It's so beautiful seeing it from out here.
While driving, let us provide you some context. This railway, part of the ambitious Cape to Cairo Railway project, played a key role in transforming the region into a travel destination, which was a crucial transportation link for colonial trade back then. Over time, as train travel evolved and commercial train use declined, tourism operators revived the old steam trains to offer luxury sunset train rides.
Awesome.
Hello. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Mary Jane and Victor Manole. Yes. Welcome drinks await you. You can dance.
Did she say dance?
Hello, welcome. Cheers.
Cheers.
Time to show some Asian dance moves. Or maybe not. Okay, party is over.
How are you?
Everyone is so welcoming.
Thank you very much. My water for the night with lemon and strawberries. Cheers.
While having snacks, the train then took off.
In our Victoria Falls video, we finish our tour with the view of this bridge. So it was a nice surprise that we actually went through it.
From the center of the bridge that we just passed, coming down this way, is in Zambia. Going to the other side, that's Zimbabwe. So we have taken you into Zambia now.
Smugglers.
Time to get back to Zimbabwe. And this time, I'm not missing this view.
Wow. Oh my God. That is so beautiful. That is gorgeous. It's so beautiful seeing it from out here. The very highlight of this train ride is stopping right in front of Victoria Falls. And as you can see, watching the sunset from here, having a glass, it's just amazing.
This is the most gorgeous view that you can ever get. This sunset I'll remember forever.
So tonight we have a total of 3 cabins. This first cabin is the cigar room. This is where you can smoke or have your premium wine like in mojitos. Cabin number 2 is the lounge, where we first entered. And the third cabin is the dining room.
And speaking of the dining room,
For tonight's menu, we're gonna have a 5-course dinner over white tablecloth. This beautiful beer.
and we are starting with a double-baked cheese souffle.
This cabin was built in 1904 as well as the rails. So it can be a little bit bumpy and shaky when you ride, but I think it gives you the feeling and it magically transports you back into the past. And the rest is up to your imagination.
During dinner, the train will briefly stop at the Victoria station where we first entered, and then it will continue.
Course number 3, it's ostrich carpaccio. I would say it tastes something in between like beef and chicken. Very tender, very good. I will.
I don't think I'm ready to eat an ostrich. Next on the menu is a roasted tomato soup.
Train rides are so romantic, and I may be romanticizing this too much, but looking out there, seeing this view, watching the moon, it's every girl's dream come true. Prominent beef fillet. Thank you. And finally, our main dish. Right.
Beef fillet and garlic prawns.
Let's try it. Each dish that they have served is rated with masterpiece.
I don't know what it is, but it's good. Strawberry punch. Never had it before.
I feel that you deserve a better description of the dessert.
So this is called strawberry patch. It has strawberry mousse, baobab meringue, strawberry gel, macerated strawberries, and chocolate soil. Okay.
Now let's talk about river cruise. Today there are many types of cruises to choose from, depending on what you're looking for. For this video, we chose a more intimate experience to share with you.
Hello, welcome. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Awesome.
Cheers. Very nice welcome.
The Zambezi River has always been important for life here. It was once used for fishing and transportation back in the days. Today, it has become a great location for leisure cruises.
The first sighting is the Egyptian geese, and next is the hippo. It's quite relaxing to just be here, be greeted with drinks, and then wait for the animals to show up.
Yes. Just learned that while all the other boats travel as far as this point, on the other hand, the Bushtrack is the only boat allowed to go closer to the waterways.
More adventures.
And the reason behind another boats don't go here is because of the shallow waters. It's a lot of rapids, a lot of rocks, and only good qualified captains can go here.
On a sunset cruise, you will glide along calm waters on a luxury boat while spotting wildlife like hippos,
This scared me.
crocodiles, and colorful birds. You will also get to enjoy snacks and drinks as you watch one of Africa's most beautiful sunsets.
Everything they've been serving here, all the appetizers, have been really, really good. Cheers to the chef.
Ostrich.
This is ostrich?
Yes, ostrich.
Oh. Okay. Thank you. No. It's all yours.
I love the ostrich, especially when it's ×2.
I'll try it. I haven't tried
No.
it.
Alright, fine.
I don't think I'm ready to eat an ostrich.
Very raw. It tastes like lean beef or chicken. Yeah, I'm good. It's good. It's very good. You should try it.
That's a perfect cruise for someone who wants just a relaxed type of water safari. You have a good chance to see here some hippos, crocodiles, variety of birds, plants, and also it comes with nice snacks and drinks.
The crew's been amazing. And the chefs, they're very good. And the captain, very funny. This particular boat is nice because it only has a smaller capacity and you can actually charter it if you have a group. That way you can enjoy the Zambezi River all by yourself.
It's a peaceful, scenic, and a perfect way to end your day at Victoria Falls. By the way, YouTube thinks you like this video. Click here.